Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Honor 400 Pro. So, as you can see, it's not connecting. So, toggle off and on the Bluetooth. Then, unpair the device, I'm sorry. And pair it again, but I need to do it on my other phone too. Pair. Connection failed. The device is out of range, then it's connected to another device. It's not any of that. So if it's still not working, then we're going to check for updates. I don't have any update right here, but if you do, then update your phone. And the last thing that I cannot do here is to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. I can't do it because it will take a long time. But just restart your phone and the other device too. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.